On the menu today, a chocolate mint sunset mocktail. It is my signature recipe, and chocolate mint is the star of the show. I'm ready to get rid of these bottles and try this. It's time for a lifestyle change. Let's repeat. I want to get rid of this and try this. Yes. That's all we can do is get better in life. So let's get our things together. We're going to start by cutting up the lime. I try to select organic lime when I can. Cut it in half, set it aside. Cut the lemon. Again, hopefully we can find organic in the grocery store. Lemon and lime have vitamin C and flavonoids. It also includes antioxidants. And I chose orange juice with calcium for the added benefit and 0 calories for the cranberry juice and some mineral water. I like the Aldi's brand. Make sure you have some good knives. I use McCook. I will put the link in the description. Lemon and lime. Yes, let's get that added boost of vitamin C. And our star of the show is the chocolate mint. So here are the benefits of chocolate mint. It soothes the stomach. It has respiratory relief benefits. It provides focus and relaxation, which I need. Culinary and baking. It looks so pretty on a plate. And for desserts and beverages, of course, that's what we're using today in a beverage. And it's fabulous in the garden. It has an excellent way of controlling the pests. It looks great on as ground cover, and it keeps snakes away. Are you scared of snakes? I'm not really, but I still don't want them near my house. You can use an electric chopper for this. I don't know. Somehow this is therapeutic for me to just chop, 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 chop and get all of my frustrations out at the end of the day. And I'm doing a voiceover now because you won't believe what's going on in my kitchen right now with my husband and my son making all of this noise, and the dog is barking outside. Okay, so get your plate ready. We're going to use that later. Just breathe, woosah. Go to your bar. If you have one of these funny little contraptions and the shaker, fine. If you don't, use whatever you want. It's not that serious. We just want to relax, people. Just have a nice, relaxing day. So now get a sweetener of your choice. Okay, I like monk fruit, and I get mine from Amazon. I will provide the link in the description for you. Leave a comment. What is your favorite sweetener? What do you use? I've heard honey, I think, is a good option as well. Take your glass. I'm using a margarita glass. You can use whatever fancy kind of cocktail. Make it special. You deserve it. Okay, wrap some lime juice around it. You see the way I'm just rubbing the lime along the edges? Okay, this is what I see the bartenders do to make everything look so pretty. Make it purty. Okay, so you're going to just take it and twist. Just twist ever so delicately. Twist and twist and twist. And now, voila. Look at that. Professional, huh? Okay, so just set that aside. Let's take our little shaker. Add orange juice with calcium so we can have strengthen our bones. I'm in my 50s, so that I need to get calcium any way that I can, and fill it up to about halfway or whatever your preference is. Guys, I don't really follow recipes. Now I'm going to add the cranberry juice with 0 sugar because I don't need to add any more calories to my diet. And with menopause, my whole metabolism is going amok. And now let's take some mineral water. I like the Aldi's brand, but you can get fancy with Perrier. I'm a teacher off for the summer with no income, so I'm on a budget. So pour as much fizz in there as you prefer. And now let's take our little contraption. I don't know what this thing is called, but it's cute. And it makes me feel official, like I'm doing something. Now you're just going to squeeze that lemon in there. It's going to catch the seeds. Okay. All right. And this is the moment, squeeze that lime. This is the moment where I know my dog, Murphy, I have a Maltese. He's barking like crazy outside, and it is so noisy. So that's why I have to do voiceovers sometimes. And this is therapeutic for me. All right, here's our chocolate mint that we chopped up earlier. Go ahead and put that in there. All right. Now use a stirrer, or do you prefer to use it stir by hand or just shake in a bottle? It really doesn't matter. So stir, you're going to have all those little particles in there. They might get stuck to your little stirrer, but who cares? All right. This is just my time for myself. How do you spend your days? Do you just have a moment to yourself? Do you have a she shed somewhere? What do you do to relax and get away from everybody? Adam, make a comment, please. All right, so put your ice in there. Yeah, some nice big cubes of ice. Let it chill. We're going to put our top on and shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, baby. Watch yourself. Shake it, baby. Watch yourself. Ow. Shake it. This is therapeutic for me, just to get all those frustrations. Okay, so how would you customize this recipe for yourself? I would love to know that. Please comment. Here's our lime, giving us that vitamin C boost. We're going to cut it again because now we're going to do little half moons, or is that what you would call it? I don't know. Cut them in half. This is preparing us for our garnish to make it look pretty. Somehow when I make my cocktails, let me correct myself, mocktails. When I make my mocktails look pretty, I sip on it slowly, instead of guzzling the wine like I do up too much information. But my mocktails, I just really want to just enjoy them and savor the moment. So here we go. Let's take our prepared glass. So you're in your shaker. It should be nice and chilled. You see that sweat on the outside? So it's nice and chilled now. We're going to pour it in there. I can smell the mint. The chocolate mint is so aromatic. You will not believe how incredible it is. Even outside, when I walk across it in the yard as ground cover, I can smell it as I go by. So make it pretty, whatever garnish you want to use. I could have used oranges. What else could we use? Pineapple. Ooh, this would be a nice recipe with pineapple. I think I'll try that next. Put your lime on there. And we're almost finished. I'm already in love. I love you, my chocolate mint sunset. Take our sprig. Here comes the star of the show again. A sprig of chocolate mint. It makes a nice garnish on many dishes, really. Good for culinary art. Do not use plastic straws if you can help it. They end up in the landfills. And also the oceans. I think it's the ocean. So I prefer metal or bamboo. So voila, here we go. It is time. Do you like yours chilled or on the rocks? In this last step, I added ice. I think I like mine without the ice. But let me know. Put a message in the comment section and let me know how you like yours. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.